Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure you have an account and the app installed. Sign in with your email, set a clear display name, and confirm camera and microphone permissions. Once done, turn on two-step verification to secure your sessions. Make sure to choose your preferred camera and mic in app settings, and optionally enable a virtual background to hide distractions. Do this now so you aren't troubleshooting hardware during a live meeting. This gets you ready to host or join immediately. You now join or host a meeting. If joining, paste the meeting ID or click the link and test your audio and video in the preview. Once satisfied, click Join. If hosting, schedule the meeting, set a passcode, and enable the waiting room to control entry. During the meeting, learn to mute all, spotlight a speaker, and adjust screen sharing permissions to prevent interruptions. Make sure to use the chat for links and the reactions for quick feedback. These keep the session orderly and interactive. Finish strong by ending or leaving meetings correctly. If you're the host, choose End Meeting for all to close the room. Save recordings to cloud or local and share the file or link with participants. If something breaks, try simple fixes. Restart the Zoom app, test audio/video in settings, or switch devices. Once done, if bandwidth is the issue, move to a phone hotspot or disable video to stabilize audio. Remember this single tip. Rebooting the app resolves many connection quirks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.